Hey guys, Nikki here. I got this beautiful number from Klaiyi hair. It is just full of bouncy, beautiful curls. I absolutely love this type of wig, and I know you guys will too. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Alright guys, so right here I'm going to unbox it for you guys so you can see everything that came with it. Also, I'm going to give you a closer look of the inside of the cap so you can see what makes this wig so unique. I just love how innovative wigs are now. You really just put them on and go. They fit snug. They're not wiggy like. This wig right here can fit so many different head shapes because of the simple fact that it has the new technology in it to where it fits snug to your head. So I did style this wig 3 different ways for you guys, and they should be coming across the screen while I'm talking. I just want to show you how versatile the wig is. They're not even like really technical hairstyles, just really easy styles that you can do because the wig did not come like this. But I just wanted to add that in there for you guys. You're gonna see it towards the end anyway. So honey, let's just get into putting this wig on, styling it so you can take advantage of any sales that they have and you can have you one too. Let's go. Here's our hair, guys. We have these cute little coils at the end. Do you guys see that? Ooh, we got a tight grip already, guys. So my mirror is over here if you see me looking this way, okay? That's just all that is. Look. Like what? Do we have to do anything? Y'all know I love these type of wigs, okay? Okay, so my favorite part about these wigs is they adjust for all head sizes. And they have this drawstring at the back where you just pull the string as tight as it'll go and tuck it. And that makes it tighter. It's like so snug. No glue, nothing on here. Because of the construction of the wig. And look at it up close. Straight out the box. All right, even though we don't have to, this is just like a throw on and go type wig, right? All right, I still want to put this on to where I can wear it for a minute. All right, so I have some things to do, so I'm going to just put it down. So let me try to, will it even move? Hold on. Oh, all right, so we're going to just put a little bit of this spray, like a thin layer. Then I'm going to dry it. Y'all see that forehead? And then we're going to go back in with the wig. All right. So also with this same even spray, we're going to put it along the perimeters like that. This hairline looks absolutely amazing on this wig. And dry this as well. So being that I have this somewhat dry, I'm going to take my foundation. I just want to go with this little part right here. So next, we're going to just take the band that came with it. And we're just going to tie it up so that can go ahead and melt. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone. While that's locking in, we're just going to go ahead and work on the actual hair. I have a wax stick. Put that right here. And then with the hot comb, go through it a little bit to make it look neat. Still want our volume though. So here's the thing. We have these coils down here at the bottom because after I take this band off, we're literally done. We have these coils right here at the bottom. Like you can do a finger coil as such. I'm just going to wear it like a normal. You see how that coiled back up? But I'm going to just finger through it because I'm like a big hair type person. See how good that looks. Yeah, that looks really, really good. So, just do some little normal maintenance to it. Actually, I want it kind of like, y'all know me. Ooh. All right, guys, for the ones that really, really know me, y'all know what I'm about to do, right? Y'all know what I'm about to do? First, let's try it up in a ponytail. All right, guys, we got us a little half up, half down, in case you don't want all that hair in your face. Love this. So bouncy and so youthful. All right, and you guys know what your girl about to do now. All right, guys, so you guys know I'm a flip over girl. Don't act brand new here. But I do think with the flip over, little mama wants some baby hairs. Let's dry this up some, yeah, so I can work with it. Don't even have to do much face framing, child. Just a little bit. There you have it with our flip over. So guys, that's 3 different looks in one with this super easy wig. I absolutely love it. I think I want some baby hair though. Be right back. Yeah, I promise it's been a struggle for me because this is what I do not know how to do. All right, guys. So I did go ahead and put a little bit of baby hair over there. It didn't mess nothing up too much, right? Let me know if you was feeling it more without the baby hair or if you like it. So that's everything. I will make sure I leave all of the information about this wig below, along with any discount codes or whatever I have for you guys. Everything will be in the description box. I hope you guys love this wig. Little short, fun, cute number. Thank you, Klaiyi Hair, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.